Did you know Earth has been shaping beauty for over 4.5 billion years? Waterfalls carve solid rock using nothing but time and gravity. Forests don't just look peaceful, they produce over 40% of the oxygen we breathe on land. Coral reefs cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, yet they support 25% of all marine life. Even mountains are moving, rising and eroding by a few millimeters every year. Nature isn't just beautiful, it's powerful, precise, and perfectly balanced by science. If facts like this make you appreciate the world a little more, subscribe for more short videos that reveal the amazing truth behind nature.